really at the end of the month, we should be looking at our receipts. If you don't have your receipts, you should be looking at your credit card statements, your bank statements, and looking and reviewing it to identify where your money is going. At this stage in my life, me and my husband just talked about that. We're about to go through an exercise where we look at the first 6 months of this year and really look at what we've been spending money on and what adjustments we may need to make. You'd be surprised if you actually went through your bank statements and your credit card statements of loose dollars that's just walking off, um, uh, fees that are mistakes, subscriptions that you don't use, and all kinds of money that you could be redirecting to do something more profitable. But because we're not tracking our money, we just don't know where it's going.